Hey there, folks. If you're dealing with the B2 error code on your Samsung washing machine from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This pesky code often pops up when there's an issue with the machine's door lock or an imbalance in the drum, and it can really put a damper on your laundry day. Don't worry, though, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get things back on track. First off, let's break down what this error means. The B2 code typically indicates that the washing machine detects the door isn't securely locked or that the load inside is uneven, which could prevent the cycle from starting safely. This is a common problem in Samsung's 2025 lineup, but it's usually fixable at home. Now, before you dive into troubleshooting, make sure your machine is unplugged for safety. We don't want any accidents. Start by checking the door. Is it closing properly? Sometimes, lint or debris can build up around the seal, so give it a good wipe down with a damp cloth. If that doesn't do the trick, inspect the load inside. Overloading or uneven distribution of clothes can trigger this error, so try redistributing your laundry and running a test cycle. Next, if the problem persists, it might be worth resetting the machine. Simply unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it up. This often clears temporary glitches. For more advanced fixes, like checking the door lock mechanism, you'll need to consult your user manual or Samsung's support site, as models can vary. Remember, if you're not comfortable tinkering with electronics, it's always best to call in a professional technician. In the meantime, keep your machine well maintained by cleaning the filter regularly and avoiding overloading. It'll save you headaches down the line. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home tips. See you next time.